Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for powerful, reliable vacuums that make cleaning easier, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're breaking down the best Bissell vacuum cleaners of 2026, featuring our top picks and reviews. We tested them for suction power, usability, filtration, and overall value so you can find the perfect Bissell model for your home. Let's get started.
And number 1 is the Bissell 3061 Featherweight Cordless Stick Vacuum. Is a lightweight, easy-to-use cordless cleaner ideal for quick pickups and everyday messes around the house. It's self-standing and cordless, so you don't deal with tangled cords or awkward storage, and the slim profile fits into closets easily. The vacuum converts between stick, handheld, and stair modes, making it versatile for floors, furniture, cars, and tight spaces. Suction is decent for its size and handles crumbs, pet hair, and dust on hard floors and low-pile carpets well. Battery life provides enough runtime for small apartments or quick cleaning jobs, though it's not suited for long, deep cleans. Pros: lightweight and cordless convenience, self-standing design, versatile stick, handheld, and stairs modes, easy to store, and simple operation. Cons: limited battery life for whole home cleaning, suction is modest compared with larger vacuums, and not ideal for thick carpets or deep debris. In daily use, it feels convenient and quick to bring out for small messes. Overall, it's a good choice for apartments, quick cleanups, and users who want simple portable vacuuming without complexity.
On number 2 is the Bissell Garage Pro Wall-Mounted Wet-Dry Car Vacuum/Blower with Auto Tool Kit, 18P03, Gray, is a heavy-duty cleaning system designed to tackle garages, cars, workshops, and other tough environments with power and versatility. Its wall-mounted setup keeps your space organized and ready for quick access, while the wet/dry vacuum and blower functions make it capable of handling dry debris, liquid spills, dust, and even blowing leaves or sawdust off workbenches. The included Auto Tool Kit gives you a full set of nozzles and extensions for detailed cleaning in car interiors, floor cracks, upholstery, and tight corners. Pros: strong wet/dry suction performance, dual vacuum/blower capability, space-saving wall-mounted design, comprehensive auto tool kit, and ideal for garage/car detailing. Cons: larger and more industrial than standard home vacuums, needs wall installation, and can be louder than basic models. In real-world use, it feels powerful and dependable for automotive and workshop cleanup. Overall, it's a great choice for homeowners, car enthusiasts, or DIYers who want a dedicated garage vacuum/blower system with professional-style performance and convenience. On number 3 is the Bissell Clean View Rewind Upright Bagless Vacuum, 3534, is a reliable everyday household cleaner that combines strong suction with convenient features to make cleaning floors, stairs, and upholstery easier. Its bagless design means no ongoing bag costs, and the automatic cord rewind neatly retracts the power cord at the touch of a button, reducing tangles and storage hassle. The included active wand extends reach so you can easily clean high corners, ceiling fans, and stairs without swapping tools. Pros: powerful multi-surface suction, bagless convenience, automatic cord rewind for easy storage, active wand for extended reach, and solid performance on carpets and hard floors. Cons: corded design limits mobility compared with cordless vacuums, slightly heavier than compact models, and not as deep cleaning as some premium uprights on thick carpets. In daily use, it feels dependable and straightforward, with filters and brushes that are easy to maintain. Overall, it's a great value choice for homes needing strong suction and smart convenience features for everyday cleaning. On number 4 is the Bissell Icon Pet Turbo Vacuum. Is a versatile, powerful upright vacuum built specifically for homes with pets and heavy debris. It delivers turbo boost suction power that helps lift stubborn dirt and pet hair from carpets and hard floors, while the tangle-free brush roll prevents hair from clogging the brush, a huge plus for multi-pet households. The vacuum comes with LED tools, a crevice plus dusting brush and a motorized turbo brush that light up dark corners and help you clean stairs, upholstery, and tight spaces more effectively. A parking brake and wall mount make storage and setup convenient when not in use. Pros: strong turbo suction for deep cleaning, tangle-free brush roll for pet hair, LED cleaning tools for visibility, versatile attachments included, and convenient storage features. Cons: corded design limits mobility compared with cordless models, slightly heavier than stick vacuums, and some users may prefer longer hose reach for taller furniture. In daily use, it feels effective and easy to maneuver. Overall, it's a great choice for pet owners and busy households that need deep, reliable suction and specialized tools for detailed cleaning. On number 5 is the Bissell 2254 Clean View Swivel Rewind Pet Upright Bagless Vacuum. Teal is a pet-friendly, powerful upright cleaner that makes everyday home vacuuming simpler and more effective. Its strong suction tackles dirt, debris, and pet hair on both carpets and hard floors, while the specialized pet tools help remove stubborn hair from stairs, upholstery, and tight spots with ease. The automatic cord rewind neatly retracts the cord with one touch, reducing storage hassle, and swivel steering makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and into corners. A large capacity dirt tank means fewer emptying trips during big cleaning jobs. Pros: excellent pet hair pickup with dedicated tools, automatic cord rewind for neat storage, swivel steering for agile movement, large dirt tank, and solid multi-surface performance. Cons: corded design limits mobility compared with cordless vacuums, slightly heavier than compact stick models, and not as effective on very deep carpets as some premium uprights. In daily use it feels dependable and straightforward, with filters and brushes that are easy to maintain. Overall, it's a great value choice for pet owners and homes needing strong suction and convenience features in a traditional upright vacuum.